Everyone wants that trendy layered haircut they see on Pinterest, but even after showing reference photos, the result rarely looks the same because without proper layering, hair has no direction, movement, or flow. Most barbers don't know how to layer correctly. When hair isn't layered, it falls flat, but clean layering creates backward flow, shape, and movement that completely changes your look. Step 1. The awkward phase. To grow long hair, you must grow it for 3 months without trimming or fixing the sides. During this phase, your hair won't behave, it will stick out, fall on your face, and feel uncomfortable, but every guy with great long hair has gone through this stage and there is no shortcut. Proper hair care from the beginning, including shampoo, conditioner, oiling, brushing, and frizz control, is essential while your hair grows. Step 2. Finding the right barber. Growing hair is easy, but finding a good barber is difficult. Most local barbers only know basic fades and don't understand long hair layers or texture. Avoid barbers who rush haircuts, rely only on clippers, or don't understand hair structure. Your options are either going to a professional salon where stylists know how to cut layers properly or guiding an average barber step by step. Step 3. Train your barber. To get the perfect layered cut, ask your barber to section your hair properly, keep the top slightly shorter than the sides with the front long enough to reach your nose, and add light texture at the back using scissors. This removes bulk, adds movement, and creates natural flow. This method is how clean layered and flow hairstyles are achieved, giving you a sharp, stylish, and natural look every time. If you want your hair to look not just long but flowy, stylish, and well-shaped, proper layering and the right barber are essential. Follow this process, stay patient, and clearly guide your barber. The results will speak for themselves. If you want more videos on hair, grooming, and style,